Use discount code JacobViral to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Xplicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
You can slide it back.
Okay. Wow. Can you tell me your name real quick? And what's in here?
Lewis, I got 6 XFL12 on 2 MD8000.
Wow. Who built this? Looks good. Very nice.
Just got it in last night.
Yeah, okay. What's it tuned to?
If you wouldn't ask me, I could have told you.
Don't worry about it. It's all good.
Yeah.
Oh, you happy with it so far? Just getting it turned on?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
See if I can find you a good song here.
Okay. Very nice. It looks really deep all the way back then.
All the way.
Wow. And it's really deep. What is your specs on the box? Do you know like your sealed section, ported or anything?
I can tell it to you.
Looks like a 2.5 to 1 ratio around there. It's alright if you don't know.
I'm pulling it up now.
Oh, you have like a design metric for it? Oh, okay.
I had it designed.
I'm sorry. Ooh. Service ain't gonna be so good out here right now. So
Yeah.
don't worry about it if it's all good. It's a lot of people today. They've got a lot bigger show than expected. So, anyway, thanks for the demo. Don't worry about it if you don't know, man. I'm gonna go. You have a good day.
You done one of mine a long time ago.
I remember you used to have 3 6.5s.
Yeah, 3/8.
3/8, I mean, yep.
Big
Awesome.
difference.
So your amp isn't even back there, it's right here. Okay. You want some, you thirsty or you want some ice? No? I'll get it.
What's going on, everyone? This is JacobViral. Quick little commentary I like to do before we get to the bass demo. Just want to say, be sure to give Lewis a thumbs up. I was hoping to be able to see his actual box design layout on his phone, but we didn't have service, so sadly I didn't get it on camera. But anyway, before that, just want to say I also included a link in the description for his previous video, his 3 8-inch subwoofer build. I got to hear it about 3 years ago. So it's crazy to see where he went from today and then it was 2 or 3 years ago with his system. So from 3 8-inch subwoofers to now, he's got a 6 12-inch subwoofer box blow-through system and a pretty impressive overall system that he has, and you're going to see how it sounds in a minute. I like the way he has his port area ratio set up here, blowing through the center of his cabin, equalizing his pressure in his cabin on the demo and on me and the driver, him, Lewis, as well as making this box work. He made 6 12s fit in a 2-to-1 ratio, 4th order. It looks like a 2-to-1 based on the size. It might be a little bit bigger, but I didn't get the specs on that, sadly. And I want to end it with a question of the day, and I'm looking forward to y'all's comments on this. So let me know in the comments how many subwoofers you're running in your system. This guy made it work with 6 in a blow-through. I've seen 8, I've seen 10 and 12, but he made it work with 6 in his single cab truck blow-through. So let me know in the comments how many subwoofers you have in your system. And go ahead and enjoy the demo. Looking forward to those comments.
I can't remember what number the song is.
It's all good, man.
Trying to get something with some flow.
Okay. It sounds really good. I appreciate the demo.
Yeah, no problem.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Xplicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.